Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting glimpse into the world of fashion and glamour as we dive into Malavika Mohanan's cover photoshoot choices. Get ready to be dazzled as we explore the stunning selections made by this stylish actress. Malavika exudes timeless beauty in a flowing chiffon gown, captured against a backdrop of soft pastel hues. Her subtle smile and graceful demeanor add a touch of ethereal charm to the cover. Donning a sleek tailored suit paired with edgy accessories, the actress embodies sophistication and modernity. Against the backdrop of a bustling city skyline, her confident gaze captivates the viewer, making for a striking cover image. Transporting viewer to a whimsical outdoor setting, the actress enchants in a bohemian-inspired ensemble, adorned with intricate patterns and flowing fabrics. With natural sunlight casting a warm glow, her carefree spirit shines through, creating a captivating cover shot. Channeling old Hollywood glamour, Malavika stunts in a vintage-inspired gown, reminiscent of a bygone era. Against a backdrop of opulent decor, her classic beauty and poise evoke a sense of timeless allure, making for a captivating cover image. Dressed in bold, avant-garde fashion, the beauty exudes confidence and strength. With dramatic makeup and a fearless attitude, she commands attention against a backdrop of urban graffiti, showcasing her versatility and boldness for an unforgettable cover. Surrounded by the beauty of nature, the actress shines in a simple yet elegant ensemble, perfectly complementing the serene surroundings. With windswept hair and a serene expression, she embodies natural beauty, making for a captivating cover that speaks to the soul. Paying homage to her roots in the film industry, Malavika dazzles in a cinematic-inspired photoshoot. Against a backdrop reminiscent of a movie set, she showcases her acting prowess and charisma, captivating viewers and leaving them eager to delve into the pages within. Set amidst a mystical forest backdrop, the actress embodies enchantment and mystery in an ethereal photoshoot. Adorned in flowing, ethereal gowns and delicate floral crowns, she exudes an otherworldly allure. Bathed in soft, diffused light filtering through the trees, her gaze holds a hint of secrets untold, inviting viewers to immerse themselves in the magical world captured on the cover. Celebrating her heritage and cultural roots, Malavika shines in a photoshoot that pays homage to traditional attire and customs. Dressed in exquisite ethnic ensembles embellished with intricate embroidery and jewels, she radiates elegance and grace. Against a backdrop adorned with vibrant patterns and motifs, she embodies the richness of her cultural heritage, inviting viewers to appreciate the beauty and diversity of tradition. Blending elements of art and fashion, the actress dazzles in a creative and avant-garde photoshoot. Donning avant-garde couture pieces adorned with bold colors, textures, and geometric shapes, she becomes a living canvas for artistic expression. Against a backdrop of abstract installations or vibrant street art, her dynamic poses and expressive gestures transform the cover into a masterpiece, captivating viewers with its fusion of fashion and artistry. Embracing eco-friendly fashion, the beauty shines in a photoshoot that champions sustainability and conscious consumption. Clad in chic yet environmentally friendly attire crafted from organic fabrics or upcycled materials, she embodies eco-conscious elegance. Set against a backdrop of lush greenery or urban landscapes undergoing eco-friendly transformations, she inspires viewers to embrace sustainable living while still looking stylish and sophisticated. Capturing the essence of romance and whimsy, the actress enchants in a photoshoot inspired by fairy tales and love stories. Draped in soft, flowing fabrics and adorned with delicate floral accents, she embodies the epitome of romantic femininity. Against a backdrop of enchanted gardens or picturesque landscapes, she radiates a dreamy aura, evoking feelings of nostalgia and longing, making the cover a visual ode to the timeless allure of love and fantasy. Stepping into the future, Malavika captivates in a photoshoot that explores themes of innovation and technology. Adorned in sleek, metallic ensembles and avant-garde accessories, she exudes a sense of futuristic elegance. Against a backdrop of minimalist architecture or high-tech settings, she portrays a vision of tomorrow's fashion and lifestyle, challenging conventional norms and inspiring viewers to embrace the possibilities of tomorrow. Embracing the opulence of royalty, the beauty dazzles in a photoshoot that transports viewers to a world of grandeur and extravagance. Draped in sumptuous fabrics and adorned with ornate jewelry fit for a queen, she exudes regal splendor and sophistication. Against a backdrop of majestic palaces or lavish interiors, she commands attention with her regal presence, inviting viewers to indulge in the timeless allure of luxury and refinement. Radiating strength and resilience, the actress shines in a photoshoot that celebrates female empowerment and inner strength. Dressed in bold, empowering attire and accessories, she embodies confidence and determination. Against a backdrop of urban landscapes and industrial settings, she strikes powerful poses that convey a message of empowerment and defiance, inspiring viewers to embrace their own inner strength and courage. Embracing the beauty of diversity and cultural exchange, the actress shines in a photoshoot that celebrates the fusion of different cultures and traditions. Clad in eclectic ensembles that blend elements from various cultural backgrounds, she embodies the spirit of multiculturalism and inclusivity. Against a backdrop of diverse landscapes or vibrant city streets, she showcases the richness and diversity of global cultures, inviting viewers to appreciate the beauty of cultural exchange and unity. Embarking on a journey of exploration and discovery, the actress enchants in a photoshoot inspired by wanderlust and adventure. Dressed in bohemian-inspired attire and adorned with travel-inspired accessories, she exudes a sense of wanderlust and free-spiritedness. Against a backdrop of exotic landscapes or hidden treasures, she embodies the spirit of exploration and discovery, inviting viewers to join her on a mystical journey of self-discovery and adventure. Capturing the essence of timeless romance, the actress dazzles in a photoshoot that evokes the nostalgia of classic love stories. Draped in vintage-inspired attire and adorned with timeless accessories, she embodies the elegance and romance of a bygone era. Against a backdrop of romantic settings or picturesque landscapes, she radiates a sense of timeless love and passion, inviting viewers to immerse themselves in the magic of eternal romance. In a celestial-themed photoshoot, Malavika embodies ethereal beauty against a backdrop of starry skies and cosmic landscapes. Wrapped in flowing fabrics reminiscent of celestial bodies and adorned with shimmering jewels that glisten like distant stars, she exudes a serene elegance. Her gaze is introspective yet filled with wonder as she connects with the universe, inviting viewers to ponder the mysteries of the cosmos and find solace in its infinite beauty. Stepping onto the red carpet of a glamorous gala event, the beauty shines in a photoshoot that exudes Hollywood glamour and sophistication. Dressed in haute couture gowns embellished with sequins, beads, and luxurious fabrics, she captivates with her radiant smile and confident poise. Surrounded by flashing cameras and a flurry of activity, she embodies the epitome of celebrity style and elegance, leaving viewers enamored with the allure of the glamorous lifestyle. Transporting viewers to a whimsical wonderland, the actress enchants in a photoshoot inspired by fairy tales and childhood fantasies. Dressed in whimsical costumes adorned with feathers, sequins, and playful accents, she radiates joy and innocence. Against a backdrop of enchanted forests or whimsically decorated sets, she embraces her inner child, inviting viewers to escape into a world of imagination and magic where anything is possible. Celebrating craftsmanship and artistry, Malavika shines in a photoshoot that showcases exquisite artisanal creations and traditional craftsmanship. Dressed in intricately handcrafted garments and accessories, she becomes a canvas for the work of skilled artisans and craftsmen. Against a backdrop of artisan workshops or cultural heritage sites, she honors the rich traditions of craftsmanship and creativity, inviting viewers to appreciate the beauty of handmade treasures and the stories they hold. In a surreal photoshoot, the actress captivates with her otherworldly beauty against a backdrop of dreamlike landscapes and abstract compositions. Dressed in avant-garde attire and adorned with surreal accessories, she blurs the lines between reality and fantasy. Surrounded by surrealistic props and visual elements that defy logic and reason, she invites viewers to explore the depths of their imagination and embrace the magic of the unknown. Embracing a mix of styles and influences, the actress dazzles in a photoshoot that celebrates eclecticism and individuality. Clad in an eclectic mix of fashion pieces that range from vintage classics to contemporary trends, she exudes a sense of personal style and flair. Against a backdrop of eclectic settings or vibrant street scenes, she showcases her unique personality and fashion sensibility, inspiring viewers to embrace their own individuality and express themselves boldly. Delving into the depths of the ocean, Malavika captivates in a photoshoot that explores the ethereal beauty of underwater landscapes. Draped in flowing fabrics that mimic the movements of sea creatures and adorned with shimmering accessories that catch the light like underwater treasures, she exudes a mesmerizing elegance. Against a backdrop of coral reefs or submerged ruins, she appears weightless and graceful, her movements fluid and effortless as she navigates the underwater world with poise and serenity. Set in a dystopian future, the actress captivates in a photoshoot that blends elements of science fiction and drama. Clad in avant-garde attire that reflects the harsh realities of a post-apocalyptic world, she embodies strength and resilience in the face of adversity. Against a backdrop of urban decay or futuristic cityscapes, she confronts the viewer with her intense gaze and commanding presence, inviting them to ponder the complexities of humanity and society in a world transformed by chaos and uncertainty. Channeling the spirit of a celestial warrior, the actress dazzles in a photoshoot that combines elements of fantasy and mythology. Adorned in armor-inspired attire embellished with celestial motifs and metallic accents, she exudes strength and determination. Against a backdrop of cosmic landscapes or celestial realms, she wields otherworldly weapons and harnesses the power of the stars, embodying the archetype of the fearless warrior fighting for justice and balance in the universe. Stepping into the shadows of a neo-noir world, the beauty captivates in a photoshoot that evokes the intrigue and allure of classic film noir. Dressed in sleek, noir-inspired fashion adorned with dark hues and bold accessories, she exudes mystery and sophistication. Against a backdrop of dimly lit alleyways or smoky interiors, she navigates the murky depths of a crime-ridden underworld with a sense of cool detachment, her enigmatic smile hinting at secrets yet to be revealed. Embracing the enchantment of mythology, Malavika shines in a photoshoot inspired by ancient legends and folklore. Adorned in regal attire reminiscent of mythical deities and legendary heroes, she embodies the timeless allure of myth and legend. Against a backdrop of mystical landscapes or ancient ruins, she becomes a mythical muse, captivating viewer with her otherworldly beauty and divine presence, inviting them to immerse themselves in the magic of ancient storytelling and imagination. And there you have it, Malavika Mohanan's cover photoshoot choices are a testament to her versatility and undeniable star power. Whether it's by the sea, amidst the cityscape, or in a tranquil garden, Malavika shines bright in every setting. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.